Welcome. In front of me is TCL NXTpaper 60 SE 5G, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the screen lock password to your device. So if you don't have face unlock or fingerprint unlock features enabled on your phone, the first thing you should try to do is to try to take your time and remember the password that you entered the last time. And if you can't remember it, then the other best option for you would be to reach out to TCL customer support service and tell them about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of your phone to them, then they will surely help you out solving your problem, and will let you regain the access to your phone without the need to delete any personal data from it. And if this option sounds unavailable for you too, then the only solution remaining is to perform factory reset, which will erase all data from your phone, but will surely regain access to it. And you can do this remotely using Find My Device feature if you didn't disable it. In such case, you can simply open Find Hub service by Google using any of your other devices. Log into a Google account that is connected with this smartphone, select this device on the list, and select factory reset. This way you can perform factory reset operation remotely in one click, basically. And to perform it locally, you have to use a recovery mode, and if you don't know how, or you need some help on your way, then just go check out the video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. And for this video, that will be all. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.